Welcome back to another video from Destination J to Z. I'm Glenn Bailey. Today we're doing a product review. Yes, this is actually a great product review. Product review we're going to do today is if you tow your RVs like a travel trailer, pop-up, fifth wheel, or anything, this right here will make your life much easier, including navigating and getting to your sites or getting to the campground. So here's what we're going to show you. If you notice right here, you see screen is absolutely humongous. This is the 12-inch screen. That's the same size that comes in your Lincoln Navigator. This is in a F150 here. And going from an 8-inch screen to the 12-inch screen will make your life much easier. And it's also the upgraded buttons here as well. And you see this is a stock look, totally. It has everything, including these buttons up here. It has your vents here, and everything looks totally stock. And we're going to take you through the exercise of each one of the features of it. Basically has everything on it that you would normally have for your 8-inch screen, except it's super large. So let's go through the operational of it. Let's hit the navigation first and show you what it does. So here you can actually see the navigation. You can see it's the full screen and is absolutely amazing. Works perfect. And next we're going to show you what the backup camera looks like. And here you can see the backup camera gives you a bigger screen so you can back into your site. You can see right back here, you can see both sides very clearly. And then if you've got the 360 camera, it will show you the sides here as well and give you everything. Or you can zoom in and go to it for when you're connecting your tag along right here as well. So this is improved to where it actually works much better. It works the same as your 8-inch, but what it does, it provides a 12-inch screen to make it to where it's more visible, to where it takes out some of the guessing. So you don't have to get out of your vehicle to go look as much. So here you can see the home screen. This is the home screen for the SYNC system. You can see it's still just the same exact thing except super large. We're going to go through and show you each one of the screens so you see exactly what you're looking at. Here you can see your climate screen. Again, same thing, no difference. Here's the phone screen. Navigation we've already been to. Then we'll go here to your icons and find mobile apps. And then not least but last, you do have your settings screen. And again, it's going to be the same thing, except it's just going to be much larger. And it does work flawlessly. And you can go through, and again, it's the updated buttons down here to the bottom that gives you everything that you need. All right, so here we've got our entertainment sources. We have hooked up the Google Auto right now. When it comes up, you will see here it's just like normal. You do have your navigation, and it will go to full screen navigation. And you can see you've actually got your 3D buildings, 3D representations here of your houses as well. And you can also get the satellite version to go along with this. Also, when you go back to, do want to point out one thing, is when you go back to your menu, the one thing that it will show, which is just right up here in the upper left-hand corner, instead of showing a Ford logo, it will show a Lincoln logo. But once again, you automatically know that it's a Ford product, so you're actually having no issues to get to this. And you actually got all your icons here as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to click that link below in the video description for your discount code to get you one of these radios and put it in your vehicle as well. It's great. It's fully operational. It'll make your life much easier and take off a little of the stress of the towing of your RVs. Once again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one. And remember, as always, safe travels.